1, 2, 3, come on!
Time for a product question and answer update. We have a question from Casper777 which reads, great video, can you do basic tasks such as fill out applications and Word doc Excel things like that? So what I did here was open up an Excel file. This is real time and I did not speed it up. This shows you how long it takes to open up a Google Excel app. I had tried the Microsoft Excel earlier, but since their last update it seems to slow down quite a bit if you're not signed in. As you can see, it has no problems with formulas or filling in any of the cells, and this is with opening up a filled Excel spreadsheet without any issue. I did a couple basic tasks on here just to make sure that you could see that repeated steps are done and are not causing any issues. Now we'll be moving on to PDFs. From here you can see that I am using XODO. This application allows you to manipulate PDFs and is a free app on Android. One of the best things is that it allows you to do a lot of things that you usually have to pay for in Adobe, but it also does the basic tasks such as filling in PDFs that are fillable in as. You can see here fillable PDFs are able to be done on this tablet without issue. This tablet has no issue staying on track and keeping up. It may not be the fastest, but it will allow you to do just about any basic task. All the scenes were done in real time. The typing was slow because I honestly didn't know what to write in, but it never lagged or froze on any test. Keep in mind that it will not run like a laptop, nor will it be the fastest horse in the race because of a minuscule delay. But the delay is negligible for the price point. It allows you to do all the basics and even some of the medium too. Advanced features that most Excel projects and PDF manipulation require. Any further questions, leave them down at the comments and I will try to get to them as soon as possible. This has been a product question and answer update.